Hey guys, I'm at the Best Buy Content Creator Studio. I have my Canon EOS M50 Creator Kit, and I'm just going to take you guys along in a day in my life, and I hope you enjoy. Hey guys, so we're all set up, we're ready to go. I have my set here, and I'm using the Canon EOS M50 Creator Kit, and yeah, let's just get started. This is the Best Buy Creator Content Studio. I have these lights, and I think the lighting is pretty good on the set already. I usually use natural lighting, but these, you can find these at Best Buy. Everything you can find at Best Buy. When you're filming a YouTube video, you basically have to intro it first. You definitely look right into the camera lens and just be like, hey guys, it's Kianna Naomi, and today I'm gonna be showing you how I make videos. The first question. I became a content creator when I was 14 years old, and I took my dad's camcorder, and I really liked clothes, showing outfits, and I just literally in my room, I just stood in front of the camera and I just danced around, posted on YouTube. It got like 15 views probably. I just kept doing that, and I kept filming myself, filming my outfits, like outfit of the week videos. I really love all things like that. My channel just blossomed from there. I started to show my personality. I think one of the main things to do whenever you're making videos is to show your personality. There's no one like you, and being different is what's gonna attract people to you. A lot of the times I'll do daily life stuff, like I'll literally just record my college day in my life. Honestly, it's really hard. You just have to realize what's important, and if education is really important to you, then give your all to school and then just record on the side. So it's all about balance. I feel like college gives me sort of a sense of reality. You think everyone's trying to be an influencer, then you go to college and you realize not everyone cares about followers. People are just trying to live their lives. It's just a good environment to like separate myself from all the hectic, LA influencer, that lifestyle. I would just say to embrace that part of your content. If it's just, you're recording your daily life in college, like they can see that and get inspired. When I first started college, I was really depressed and sad. I didn't go out. I should have put myself out there more. Don't be afraid to try new things, try new classes, new clubs, all that kind of stuff. I get this question a lot. I know what I want to do, and I think it's really important. If you want something, then put it into the universe, work towards it, and you can reach that goal. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below, subscribe, all that good stuff. So we're going to the editing. Oh my God, I'm here. Okay.
All right,
hey guys.
So we got the footage transferred over and we got it loaded in.
The first thing I would do if I were editing a video is I would just watch the entire video and just make sure that I like it first, because sometimes I end up not even liking the video at all. I would probably just add an intro first. So I'd put a screen in the beginning, and I would just put my name and say Kianna Naomi. The title, I would probably say college advice, something like that.
Do you want to do it over this background, or do you want to have a solid color or something else that we've got going on here?
Probably the solid color of white. That's what I usually do. I do bold and then I italicize it.
And how's that looking to you?
That looks great. I would probably put that right in the beginning of the video.
We got a couple music options here. I'll play a little clip of each and let me know what you think, which one you prefer.
Okay, I'm gonna go with the last one.
Last one. So when we start here and we click play.
And then I probably end it
right in there.
3 seconds in.
3 seconds in. We're gonna go to where we start here.
Today, I'm just going to be teaching you guys how to make a YouTube video, and I'm Kianna Naomi.
So that's kind of our intro piece right here. Real quick, let's adjust the audio levels so the music isn't way too loud. So we'll kind of get these levels right.
Hey guys,
obviously that's far too loud for the music, so we're going to bring that down over here.
Today, I'm just going to be teaching you guys how to make a YouTube video. If you go to the beginning, this is the Best Buy Creator Content Studio. Place. Okay, stop. So when I say place, I would probably zoom into that, because if you're not gonna cut out a part where you're awkward, then emphasize it. So it's sorry, when you emphasize it, it's like making fun of yourself, and it just, relaxes things a little bit. And not only would I zoom in a little bit, I would probably take the music out.
And we'll just cut out this section of audio, zoom in on our scale there, and we'll adjust our frame. Let's just kind of play that and see how it looks so we can adjust it.
Content studio place. Right. And I would figure out some way to cut out the part where I fumbled my words.
Okay.
And it might be a little choppy, but honestly, I think it's worth it sometimes because when you fumble your words, it's hard to get your point across.
Yeah. So.
Oh, I would probably cut something like all right, so, because I tend to say like so or all right or like constantly when I'm filming videos.
And that's super normal. Everybody has kind of things
right,
they say,
like filler words.
Filler words or or just kind of pauses, and those are really easy to just take out. So we'll cut it right before the so there.
When I say right, when I point right into the camera lens, you can Kianna Naomi, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make videos. A lot of the times it's really helpful to just use something you do as an action.
Yeah, absolutely.
So you definitely look right into the camera lens and just be like, hey guys, it's Kianna Naomi. And when I say hey guys, if you just want to put some text on the screen that matches up with what I'm saying, or it's just a white wall, I would probably put hey guys in the same Arial italic bold font, and probably black so that I can show up against the background. And this is very tedious, it takes a long time, but it's worth it because it keeps your audience's attention a little bit better. And if you look at the audio, you'll see when it spikes up and spikes down, so you'll kind of know where to put the text. And just be like, hey guys, it's Kianna Naomi, and today I'm going to be showing you.
Those kind of things are like a little tedious, but it's worth it.
Right, it's worth it.
It's engaging, it helps, it's more visual information for people. It's part of like creating your own style too, and how like people kind of the things that they recognize about your videos.
Tell you guys a little bit about I would probably cut out the so about college. Because I do that a lot. So, if I kept in all the so's, it would literally be a 30-minute video. Yeah, and cut out as much dead space as you can. The quicker the video, the better. Just because college. You got to keep people's attention. Even after college, like the second I finish the word college.
All right.
Cut it.
So we'll probably cut out the there.
Yeah, the no ums, they're annoying. So at the end of my videos, I usually say the exact same thing. I'll say thank you for watching, because if someone watches a full video of yours, that's actually very nice, and I really appreciate it. So I say thank you for watching. If you want to, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter at Kianna Naomi. I'll put my handle on the screen. And then I'll usually just put my outro. So I'll just put a white screen at the end of the video and put KiannaNaomi.com. And I only do that for like 5 seconds. You really don't have to do it for long.
And then there we go. We'll see how this is. Do you do like a fade out or anything? Or?
Yeah.
Okay, so we get to apply our default transition. We'll set our in point and our out point. So it knows to export just that section of the video. And then we'll export it.
Sounds good.
And a YouTube video has been created.
Cool, awesome. That is how I create my content. Thank you all so much for coming. I will see you guys later. Bye. Did you get that on camera? Can we put this in the video?